Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. This quiz contains the basic operation multiplication plus subtraction and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. We have four answers. A is 26, B is 7, C is 2 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. As you can see on the screen, these are the rules to solve any arithmetic expression which contains the basic operation. So arithmetic operation we will solve just like the rule says. If you have any bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to go the exponent or power of any number. So if your expression contains power of any number, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first in your expression, so you have to solve the division part first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication part. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, like we have, first we have to solve the bracket. So here we have one bracket. So we have to solve this bracket first. So first we have to write all these remaining things and we will solve this bracket. So 7 plus 4 equals to 11. And other things we will write as it is, like this one. And now 7 plus 4 equals to 11 we will write. Now move forward and we do not have any bracket and also we do not have any exponent of any number. So we will skip these steps and now we will go left to right in our expression. We go left to right and find out multiplication and division. So let's see which is coming first. So if you see, first we have the multiplication. So we will solve this part first. So 12 multiplied by 2 equals to 24 minus other things we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 12 multiplied by 2 or you can say multiply by 2 equals to 24. Now, again, we have to move forward and find out left to right and find out division and multiplication. So we will see like this term, but we cannot solve this one. First, we have to see the multiplication and division. So if we will go left to right, first we have the multiplication. But sometimes people say we are using the BODMAS, so we will solve division first. No, it is not the case. We have to solve first this part. So 11 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 110. And we will write divided by 5. And here we will give the reference 11 multiplied by 10 equals to 110. Now move forward again, we have to go left to right. So when we will go left to right, we have one other division part. So we will solve this part now. So 24 minus and 11, 110 divided by 5 equals to 22. And here we will give the reference like 110 divided by 5 equals to 22. Now, move forward. We have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So it means that we can write like 24 minus 22 equals to 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression and find out the correct answer. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel and you can support my channel as well. So We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.